I'd like to think from my perspective, maybe other experts
Mm,
will disagree. I'd like to think that Africa's trajectory will be heavily influenced by the European trajectory,
mm,
mostly because I think from my perspective, from my point of view, that the European Space Agency are the most interested, should I put it that way,
mm.
in the African space program, politically at least, in the
Okay.
African space in the continent. I mean, China is interested in Africa, the US is interested in Africa,
Mm,
but not as a continent. Africa is currently enjoying free Copernicus services, I believe, through the GMES and Africa program. So there is a very strong relationship between the European space program and the African space program. I guess maybe because personally, I believe Africa could learn one or two things from the European space model. What I do know is, I mean, the important question really is funding, right? The way the funds travel, the determined model.
mm.
Right now, the question of funding, I don't even think has been answered. I think most of the African Union's funding, the African Space Agency's funding, or a lot of it comes from the European Space Agency. I think
Okay.
coinciding with the operationalization of the African Space Agency, the European Space Program had, I don't know the politically correct term to say this, but
Okay.
over $100 million or euros was sent into the European Space Agency funded the African Space Agency with over 100 million
Mm,
euros in partnerships and collaborations and whatnot flowing one way. So primarily that's how the African Space Agency is getting its funding.